Hey guys, been a late day. We've been cleaning on this floor. That's the most important job on sanding these floors down. You gotta clean them good. So we probably mopped it 8 to 10 times and probably changed the water 5 or 6 times during each mopping. Then we put a thing of mineral spirits down and wiped everything down really good. We're just now getting her dry and everything to start. But can't emphasize it enough. We got poor lighting in here, sorry guys. But emphasize it enough. Got to get these floors clean before you put the polyurethane on them. They'll finish out so much better. But this is how I do it. Got one of the lamb's wool pads right here. I always like using the 2.5 gallon polyurethane gloss because I can just stick that in there. I'm not really worried about the drips or anything. I'll show you exactly how I start and everything. But the main thing is, you're going to miss some coats, especially tonight. We don't have really good lighting, but we're going to try to get as much of it on there as we can for the first coat. But I just dip her in there. I'm not really worried. And I just run her across like this. Let me just go ahead and do it one more time. Just like that. And then we start putting her on. And just like this, guys. And like I said, we want to try to get a good even coat on here if we can. For the first coat, we want it as good as we can. And we just keep going, working ourselves right across just like that. Like I said, some places will be a little heavier than others. As you drag it back to you, you can see where it's puddling up, and you'll know exactly where to start on your next one. And we're going to put 2 or 3 coats on this floor, and it should really start shining. So, guys, it's a pretty simple project, like I was saying on the first one. And I don't really worry about these drips or anything. I just sand them over. And then my son, he's on the camera and stuff, so he's going to be going through this too. So we'll knock this out in just a very few minutes. If you notice, we took our trim off. That way we can get right up to the wall and do that without hitting our trim. So we're going to put a coat of polyurethane on. We'll show the finished product tomorrow evening. Thanks, guys. Just keep watching.